Hey guys, welcome to today's video, which is me trying sock curls. So I've just got out of the shower and washed my hair, and this is only the second time I've ever tried this. I tried it for the first time and I'll include some footage here. Where I washed my hair and showered in the morning and then like left them in all day, and I basically didn't blow dry my hair beforehand at all, and my hair takes 2 days to air dry. Like, it takes forever to air dry, so it did take like all day, and I did take them out at bedtime and my hair was still damp because I have health issues that mean that I really struggle to sleep with anything in my hair or on my head, which is really annoying because I've tried so many different things to like look after my hair better, with like silk wraps and all sorts and silk scrunchies, and I can't, it just will give me a migraine. And I have occipital neuralgia, which is to do with my occipital nerve, and so yeah, it's not happening. But I found these to be so comfortable that I am going to try them tonight, I think. But I'm also going to blow dry my hair first because I saw some tips. Basically, I got this all from TikTok. Isn't everything these days from TikTok? TikTok is really the trend starter of it all. Saying that, yeah, to get your hair like 80% dry before doing it, and also position them slightly differently. I did them quite high, and it just meant that I did have a bit of a kink on one side of my head and not on the other side, so I'm going to do them a bit lower. I think maybe that'll be more comfy to sleep in. I'm a side sleeper as well, so that makes it like more awkward, I think. I would be intrigued to see if I could get away with, or what it would look like. I'm going out tomorrow, I have stuff to do tomorrow, so I don't want it to look a complete mess because I would actually like to wear my hair down. But another day I might try just like one bun on top of my head, like one sock bun, and see what happens. Because I feel like that might be easier to sleep in than, because I'm a side sleeper, I don't know. Right, so anyway, I'm gonna go blow dry my hair till it's like 70–80% dry, and I'll be back. Okay, so my hair is nearly dry. I did not make any attempt to neatly part it. I just left it where it lies, which is what I always do. I saw tips saying to put oil on your hair before you do it, which I did last time and it worked, so we're like, I was happy with the results. So I've just got this Pantene argan oil, which I've had for ages because I don't like routinely use it, but here goes nothing. And last time I actually did use hairspray. None of the TikToks I've watched or like anything I've read on doing these buns says to do that. I just really wanted it to work and really wanted to see results, so I did it. I'm not going to do it this time because I actually don't love the hairspray I've got right now. It makes my hair really knotted like crazy, like worse than any other bloody hairspray I've ever used. So right, also top tip was to use fuzzy socks, like fluffy socks, so that's what we're doing. Well, I've only got one here. Fuzzy socks, and scrunchies, like soft scrunchies. So I'm going to do this side first. Last time I did this side first, and then I decided to redo it after because I wasn't happy with how it was sitting. Also, I don't know how well I'm going to be at this, doing it in the mirror here. I might try and put it like to the back of my head a bit, just so that then I can hopefully sleep better. Right, that's that. Might as well put the other one up whilst we're here. My instinct is to make them high, but I'm really trying to make them lower than last time, so yeah, we'll see what this turns out like. Okay, so I've sort of done them, really, the actual scrunchies at the back of my head, but I just think That's going to allow me to sleep loads better. Whether or not I wake up with a migraine, we shall see. So what you do is you want to leave the open part of the sock down the bottom and start with the toe. And you want to tuck it in to a bit of your scrunchie, like so. And everywhere, all the like best results that I saw came from people that were saying that you have to try and keep the sock as straight as possible. Whether or not that's true, I don't know. We'll find out. It worked for me, so that's what I'm going to do again, basically. And then you just wrap the hair around, like so. I seriously am fighting the urge to put hairspray on it, just because, again, I really don't want to like go through all this to wake up and have it look like nothing. Right, so that's all the way down, and then what you do is you put your hand in the sock. I'm going to use the other hand. And you like turn it in on itself and like put it all the way up to your head like that. Done. Last time when I had him up here, I said to Ben, he came home and was like, what is happening? And I was like, it's a new hairstyle. They're bunny ears. Little bunny ears. Same with the other side. Just put this through the scrunchie a bit. And I thought, because I've got really long hair, that you would need like really long socks, which I don't own, but you don't, as you can see. So long as you like tie it, see, my sock is getting twisted. So long as you do it tightly to itself when you're wrapping it round, then it's fine. Like, as long as you go immediately below where you wrapped it last, it was fine. The results weren't like perfect, but they were nearly as good as like curls I would get with my curlers, because I don't put that much effort into getting them like perfect. I've never really cared to have like neat, perfect hair, to be honest, at any point in my life. There we go. That's it. But yeah, I've never really cared to have them be perfect, but I think they were as good, and like obviously less heat is good for your hair. And I'm very unwell. If you don't know and you're new here, hi, I have systemic lupus and fibromyalgia and occipital neuralgia. So I'm very unwell and disabled. And on a day where I need to just do nothing, it's perfect. Because like I said, I can just sit with them in all day and chill around the house and then end up with cute curly hair the next day. Right, that's it for this part. I will see you in the morning and see how this turned out. Hey, good morning. This is my sleepy face. I just woke up. This is how they lasted. I did pull them down a bit. What I didn't think of was when I was like, oh yeah, I can just sleep like this. Like, no, because your whole head will be on the pillow, so this being up here was right in the way. So I moved them down a bit, but yeah, I'm going to take them out and see how it turned out. Well, already it feels a lot nicer because I didn't use hairspray. Like, it already feels like a lot softer. Look at that. I can't believe the results. I mean, like, that's amazing, right? Feels so much nicer for not using hairspray. I may put a bit in, like, once I've like teased it out and styled it a bit, just to hold it, because I'm gonna be out and about today and my hair doesn't hold styles very well. Oh, look, that's amazing. I'm not touching it for now. I'm gonna get it out of my face so that I can do all my skincare and stuff, and then yeah, I'll show you it later when it's styled. Oh, just quickly, my sink being loud. How did I find it to sleep with? Not great. My neck hurts. So I probably wouldn't do that again. I probably would always choose to do it in the morning. And even when I did that, by the way, like washed my hair in the morning and wore it all day and not overnight, and then took it out and just slept with my hair out at night, it lasted for like 3 days, the curls. So yeah, I don't think it's like massively affected by doing it that way. So I would do it that way next time because I didn't enjoy sleeping with him in. So yeah, it's raining. Okay, this is my hair. I love it. This side is curlier, but that's the side that stayed in the bun better overnight. So I think ultimately, like I said, I will in future do it in the daytime and not at night time, but it's still gorgeous, like. And what I did was I brushed it out just with my hairbrush. It looks as good as when I curl my hair, so it's so much more low effort for me than curling my hair. So I am really happy. I will continue to do this. I did put a little bit of hairspray in it just now. I did lose a couple of I did have more ringlets on this side, like this side, but when I brushed my hair they came out, which I do think is because of, like I said, that really fell out in the night. But I love it. I'll definitely be doing it again. I'll be doing it in the daytime. That just works better for me, but definitely give this a try. I think it's lovely. I love it. I'm so excited about it. Yay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Short and sweet. Just something a bit fun. I was doing it anyway and I thought, imagine if someone's like not on TikTok, because that's really where I've seen it all. And then I like Googled tips about it, but imagine if someone's not on TikTok or they've just not seen this before. Just, yeah, try to help you guys out, especially if you're ill or disabled and you want curly, lovely hair, but like without having to sit there and hold the curlers and like, because that can be difficult, impossible, painful, as I know. So yeah, I hope this is helpful, and let me know if you do try it and if you like it. I'm gonna go. I hope you're having a lovely day, whatever you're doing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.